Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve e-learning platforms with Udemy detailed guide step by step clearly. Understand your target audience to create relevant content. Conduct thorough market research to identify gaps in existing course offerings. Analyze competitors on Udemy to determine what works well. Gather feedback from current users on their learning experiences. Define clear, measurable learning objectives for your courses. Choose a specific niche that aligns with your expertise and audience needs. Create engaging and diverse content to cater to various learning styles. Incorporate multimedia elements such as videos, quizzes, and interactive activities. Ensure your courses are well structured and easy to navigate. Utilize high-quality visuals and sound to enhance learner engagement. Investigate Udemy's promotional tools to boost visibility for your courses. Optimize your course title and description with relevant keywords. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media and email outreach. Encourage user interaction through discussion forums and Q&A sections. Update your courses regularly to keep content current and relevant. Gather and respond to reviews to continuously improve based on student feedback. Use analytics to track student progress and course effectiveness. Implement gamification techniques to make learning enjoyable and motivating. Network with other instructors for collaboration opportunities. Consider offering free introductory courses to attract a wider audience. Always be open to exploring new trends in e-learning and adapting your strategies. Focus on building a community around your courses to enhance the learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.